morning, students. Today we will be doing the last topic of chapter median, where I am going to explain you how to calculate median if in the given data some or the other frequency is missing. So let's start. If you all can see, there is a data which has been given, and according to this data we have to locate the missing frequency, where in this data already it has been given that n equals to 100 and m equals to 30. That means our m has been given to us and n is 100. Now let's see the data where the marks has been given to be as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. And if we see the number of students, you will find that the students marks between 0 to 10 is 10. Between 10 to 20 is unknown, that is a question mark, that is a missing frequency. Between 20 to 30 is 25. Between 30 to 40 is 30. Between 40 to 50, again it's a question mark, means again this frequency is missing, which we need to find out. And between 50 to 60 is 10. Now if you see, there's a table which I have drawn for you, and in this table again you have three columns. In the first column you have marks, second column you have frequency, and the third column you have cumulative frequency. So if we see the marks, we have taken the marks as it has been given, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Now the frequency 0 to 10 as it has been already given 10, 10 to 20 frequency is missing, so we have taken it to be as F1. 20 to 30 it is 25, 30 to 40 the frequency is given 30, and 40 to 50 again the frequency is missing, so we have assumed it to be as F2, and 50 to 60 is 10. Now what we have done, we have added this frequency together. Now children, if you see this sigma f or n, as it has been already given to us that n is 100, so we have taken n to be as 100. And if we see the cumulative frequency, you people know very well how to convert frequency into cumulative frequency. So first frequency 10 has been taken as 10. Then next frequency is F1. So as we have to add, so what we have done, we have taken 10 plus F1. Then the next one is 25. So 10 plus 25 comes to 35. So 35 plus F1. Next is 30. So 35 plus 30 is 65 plus F1. Now F2 means this frequency is missing. So what we have done, we have taken 65 plus F1 plus F2. And then the last frequency is given as 10. So 65 plus 10, that comes to 75. So we have taken 75 plus F1 plus F2. Now children, if you see, I have formed an equation over here for you, that the first equation goes like this, that 75, which is a cumulative frequency, 75 plus F1 plus F2 equals to 100. Why? Because I have already told you before that the total of your frequency is the last value of your cumulative frequency. So that means 75 plus F1 plus F2 will be equals to 100. Where it means that F1 plus F2 is supposed to be 25, right? Because 75 is already been given. So if 75 is already been given and it has been said that n is 100, then the remaining F1 and F2 is supposed to be 25, right? Now if you see, if n is 100, and according to our formula we say size of the n upon 2 item, so 100 upon 2, if you divide 100 from 2, you get 50. So your second equation is that if it is 50 and already it has been given to you that your m is 30, that is in medium. If you see, it is already been given that m is 30. If m is 30 and you know very well that you got a cumulative frequency to be as 50, so 50 in cumulative frequency comes in 65, right? If it comes in 65, so I told you before also that your previous to that number will be your cumulative frequency, or you can say cumulative previous. So your 35 plus f1 is cumulative frequency, and of course just in front of 65 the frequency is 30, which is f, and just in front of 30 your class interval 30 to 40 is your median. That is what I have taken. Your median class is 30 to 40. Now you know very well that your CF is 35 plus f1, your f is 30, and your L1 is 30, and your I is the difference between 30 to 40, which is 10. Now we are going to put this into a formula, and the formula goes like this: m equals to L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon f into I. So children, m is given already, how much it is? 30, equals to L1 already is how much? 30, plus n upon 2, we have already found out that n upon 2 means 100 upon 2, which comes to 50, minus CF is 35 plus f1 upon f is how much? See, I have done it in the box for your convenience, that is 30 into I, and I is, if you see, I have marked I, which is the difference between 30 and 40, that comes to 10. So now there is a simple calculation which you all know very well, that is 30 equals to 30 has been cancelled, you get 0. So 50 minus 35, that is, it comes to, if you deduct 35 from 50, you get 15 minus plus minus f1 upon 30, that is 3, because if you see 0 and 0 of 30, 10 is cancelled, so you get 3. So over here you get f1 equals to 15. So children, as already been told you that f1 plus f2 equals to 25, and now we have found that f1 is 15, so we have plotted the value 15 in f1 plus f2 equals to 25. So f2 equals to 25 minus 15, that comes to f2 equals to 10. So we got the value f1 to be as 15, f2 equals to 10, which comes to 25. So already we had cumulative frequency 75, f1 we got 15, f2 we got 10, that comes to 25, 75 plus 25, that comes to 100, which is our n. So children, this is how you can locate a missing frequency to calculate median.